Captain Cold Frog, proper one, and this is really foggy, and I am the only one here. Look, spin round, spin round, spin round, spin round, only one here. Awesome. Look up. I'm the only one here. So awesome. It's really foggy. My mountain. I'm Henry Sharp, Henry Harpers. Enter the way out. Big courtyard. Kitchens. Normal gate. And I'm the only one here. There's time. 5:02. I cannot believe it. I'm going to show more vlogs throughout the day. It's part 1. Because I can't have them too long. I have more than 15 minutes. So, see you